How to use your access code. Both you and your students will need an access code for the online practice. You can usually find your access code on your access card in your teacher's book. Your students can usually find their access card in the course books. Teachers and students use their access codes in the same way. Choose your account type, then enter your access code. You only need to enter the numbers of your code. Choose Check Code. You will see the course name, account type, and how long you'll have access to the online practice. To complete your registration, enter your name. Choose your country from the list and enter a password. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then choose Complete Registration. Now that you've created your Oxford ID, you can use online practice anytime by signing in with your Oxford ID username and password. Need more help? Click the help icon in your online practice website, or you can send us an email, eltpractice@oup.com.